The topic of my presentation is renewable energy in Spain. I chose this topic because I'm interested in renewable energy and I wanted to learn more about it. Renewable energy is energy that doesn't get depleted when being used, unlike fossil fuels like oil, gas, and coal. The whole purpose of renewable energy is to help fight in the reduction of global warming and climate change, to provide an energy source that won't further damage the earth. Some examples of sustainable renewable energy are hydropower, solar power, wind energy, geothermal energy, and biomass. The population trends have been increasing, and with a growing population, there's more energy being consumed and more greenhouse gases being produced. The effective date for the Kyoto Protocol was 2005, which states that countries have to reduce or need to reduce greenhouse gases. The EU's original goal was 20% renewable energy use by 2020 and 20% energy savings on top of that. Countries were working on it, but since then the goal was updated to 2030 in the climate and energy package with a 40% reduction in greenhouse gases. And this is a map of the world's population density. Spain has a population of 47 million people, with one of the lowest energy consumptions per capita in all of the EU. Spain consumes 5.6 megawatt hours per capita and produces 10.1 megawatt hours per capita. I wasn't sure if this was high or low, so I looked up what the US consumes on average and compared them, and we consume on average 10.9 megawatt hours per capita. So we consume double what they consume over there in Spain. So even though Spain is consuming on the low end, they are above average in their energy dependence outside of their country. So they're importing a lot of their energy from outside of their country. So the Spanish government got involved and implemented this plan called the Renewable Energy Plan in 2005. This worked because in 2007 the trend was reversed. In 2010, Spain consumed 11.6% of renewable energy as its primary source of consumption. And Spain produced 29.7% of renewable energy. This surpassed fossil fuels as its main source of energy. Natural gas was at 28%. So the picture on your top right is the picture of Spain's population density, and the other picture is a map of Spain's electricity lines, which follows the population density. So this leads us to the renewable energies that Spain is utilizing. Spain mostly uses wind power, hydroelectric power, and biomass. Although it is working with solar energy as well. Spain is the fourth largest producer of wind power in the world. Wind power is the fastest growing renewable energy in Spain right now. Wind power met 18 to 21% of the total national electricity demands in Spain, followed by hydroelectric power at 11%. Spain is ranked 5th in Europe in hydroelectric power. So the production of energy via hydroelectric power in Spain varies across the regions depending on how much rainfall it gets if a particular region gets more rainfall in a particular year than versus another region, then that region that gets more rainfall is going to have more energy being produced because it's receiving more water. The third most used renewable energy in Spain is biomass power. Biomass is organic matter that can be used to produce energy. And right now, Spain is ranked 9th in Europe in the use of biomass to produce energy. And so right now, biomass power is on a stable trend in the use in Spain. In regards to photovoltaic energy in Spain, Spain is ranked 2nd in the world behind Germany in installed units, right on par with the US. With lots and lots of sunshine in Spain, and being right there in the Mediterranean, and it gets so much sunshine, solar power is really set in a position where it can get optimum usage, but there's still a ways to go for them to get it up and going. But wind power is what really took off in Spain, and there's a video here for the class to watch. And here are my references.